Maria Klann. Today I'm going to show you how I do my headstand, and I'm going to give you 3 different tips. The first tip, if you have any clip or something in your head, just remove it because it's going to hit yourself. The second tip is how to build the base that is super important of the headstand. That is going to be shoulders and shoulder, and it's super easy because basically do this parallel shoulders and grab it. But we do it now on your mat, so it's going to be something like this that you can actually hug your shoulders, and then you open it like a fan, and this is going to be your base. This is super important, the distance of the elbows, because if you open the elbows too much, it's not a good base. The third tip, super important, at least for me, is try to do this if you are not doing it in a studio and you're practicing at home. So don't do it on a concrete floor and neither ceramic. Even though you have a really good mat, I'm using, I love mine by the way, it's super good. This is what I'm using, the leaf form. And even though it's thick and it has a good grip, my floor is wood, so if I fall down, it's not going to hurt me so much. So let's start right now, and let's put parallels, the knees with your hips and your hands with the elbow and with your shoulders. So we are in this doggy position, okay? And let's put the elbows down. Let's measure the distance. So I grab this elbow, I grab the other one, and now I open it like a fan. Once I have this, my hands in the front, I'm going to close it like this. So I interlace the fingers. When you do this, never look on the side. So you first look at me or whoever you're looking, and then you do it. And we go up. And basically what I'm using in here are the elbows, the hands, the abdomen, and my butt. My butt, I feel it like tight but not too tight, and some people do flex or pointing. You can play with that. I think that really doesn't matter. What is important is the abdomen, like this. Try to keep it still like this, like if someone is pulling you from the ceiling.
Hello, please take your command.
And then with the practice, when you come down, I use my core. I'm very sore after being working out today, but I use all my core, and I balance my body, landing a little bit toward that side, toward the wall, in order to bring the legs little by little. And in that way, you practice, you work out your abs. I'm going to do it now in front of you so you can see me. Okay. Wrap your elbows together. Open the fan. Interlace the finger. Another tip, super important. And I kind of used to do it, but still it's uncomfortable for me. The Merit or any other ring, because it hurts when you interlace the finger. So I keep all my concentration in the headstand, but at some point between the bones it hurts me, and sometimes I need to stop the headstand just because of the ring, because it really hurts the bone, the finger. But I'm used to that. So elbows together, open the fan, interlace the finger, head down, toes up, I start walking little by little. I feel the base comfortable and I breathe. Always inhaling and exhaling, very soft and smooth. And go up little by little. Very little by little. And I feel like someone is pulling me. And it's when I squeeze very little, it's subtle, my butt. And someone is pulling me from the ceiling. You can point or flex, it doesn't matter, just concentrate. I concentrate myself like someone is pulling me, keeping my ab like not hard, but like flat. And my butt a little bit like tight. And then I come down, I counterbalance. And down. And I breathe slowly when I'm doing, especially when I'm coming down, that I go little by little. I counterbalance my butt, the back, and the legs comes little by little. And I inhale and exhale very slowly, focusing in all the core and also being aware of the back. So I don't do any butt or run movement. I'm gonna do it now on the other way so you can see the other side of my body. The same process, grab the elbows, open the hands, interlace the finger, head down. I feel comfortable the base, point, start walking, strengthen the core, exhale. Inhale and exhale very slowly and quiet. And I have a really good grip in my base right now. And it's very smooth, this position. It's actually relaxing. And this is a good way to keep my blood flowing. If you can stay with a practice like this 3 minutes, it is wonderful for your health. It has a lot of benefits. Pointing or flex, whatever you want, take with the time. You can open your legs, maybe moving a little bit the hips, one side, the other side, in circles. Counterbalance. And down. And this is how I do my headstand. A few tips: don't put any clip or something in your head because you're gonna hurt yourself. If you can remove any earrings, do it because it's gonna hurt your fingers. And use the wood floor or something that is not too hard, like cement. Even though you have a thick mat, it's not comfortable. And that's it. Hey, let me know in the comments, how did you learn to do the headstand and when was the first time? My first time was on the beach and it was amazing and kind of easy because I put my hands on the sand with no towel, nothing, and it was like a little pillow around my head. So it was really nice and really fun and very easy, not too hard to fall down. Subscribe to Maria Klann and let's keep seeing more breathing exercises and more movements to practice at home. Bye bye!